Hello UA teachers, and welcome to your second Google Classroom Setup tutorial. In this video, we will be setting up the Classwork page in your Google Classroom. Kindly note that we will be using the UA Staff Classroom as a sample for the purpose of this video. You can always refer to UA Staff Classroom for more detailed information. To start, please click on the Classwork button on top of the page to ensure that you are on the correct page. First, we will work on setting up the topics in your classroom. Every teacher will have to create 8 topics in every class. To keep topics in the correct order, start creating the last topic first. To start, click on the Create button and go to Topic. The topic that we will be creating together is Attendance. Click Add. And here is your attendance topic. For the purpose of this video, we already created all 8 topics in order: attendance, bell work, assignments, homework, formative assessments, summative assessments, questions for teacher, and live sessions. ESL teachers will also have the option of creating their ESL topic. Paraprofessionals will be creating their differentiated instruction, and library will be creating her topic as well in all classes that are applicable. Kindly note that ESL teachers will only create the topic in ELA classes. Also, kindly note that elementary teachers will follow the same topics except in ELA classes. Elementary teachers will create 4 different topics instead of the assignment topic in their ELA classes. The topics are reading, spelling, vocabulary, and writing. Now that we have created all topics, we will start creating the assignments. For the purpose of this video, we will only create one assignment. To start creating the assignment, click on Create Assignment, and then we will create our first bell work. So we are going to call the assignment Bell Work 4-3-20. In the instruction box, make sure that you write specific instructions for the students to be able to follow in order to complete the assignment successfully. Complete the attached worksheet. To attach a worksheet, you need to click on the Add button and then go to File and attach your worksheet. You can also attach a link, a document from your Google Drive, or a YouTube video to help students complete the assignment successfully. Here, you can click on the classes you have under your name, and then you can click on any other class that you want the same assignment to go to. Once you click on those classes, that assignment will be copied to all these classes. For ESL paraprofessionals and librarian, they can also have the option of picking the students they want to send this assignment to by unclicking on all students and then clicking only on the students that they want. This assignment will then only show up for these students. The rest of the class will not be able to see this assignment. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to keep all students. Points, we're going to put 10 points, for example. It's up to you. Due date, you need to have a due date for every assignment. So your due date, you just click on it, put today, since this is a bell work, and then you have the option of putting the time as well. And then since this is a bell work, we are going to go and create the topic bell work, so this assignment can go under that topic. You also have the option of creating a rubric based on your assignment. You click on rubric, you can attach it or create one. And then you go up here, and then you have the option either save the assignment if it's not done yet, as it is the case in this video. We did not attach the worksheet yet, so you can save it and work on it later. You can schedule it so it can appear to the students at a certain time, or you can assign it as I'm going to do now in the video. I'm going to assign it to everyone. And here is the assignment or the bell work for today. Kindly note that under assignment, I put the name of the assignment and I put the date of that assignment so students can recognize which assignment they need to go to. So it is very important for the format of every assignment you put, whether it's attendance, bell work, assignment, assessment, or any other assignment, please make sure that you put the title, and in the title you put the date so students can easily recognize where to go on that day. Also, if you have already created your assignments but did not put them in the topic, it is very easy to do that. You can just go to the assignment, go to the three dots on the side, click on them, click edit, and then the assignment will open. All you need to do is go to topic and now pick the correct topic, which is attendance. So I'm going to put attendance and then save it again. And now you will see that that assignment moved from the top down to assignment. We are going to do one more, which is the guideline for Google Classroom setup. We're going to put it under formative assessments. So we're going to go to this assignment, click on the three dots, click on edit, and then we're going to edit that topic to formative assessment and then save it. And then we will see that move down to formative assessments. Kindly make sure that all of these topics are always in order. This is the order that the students have to follow during your class. So the first thing they come in, after seeing your daily announcement on the stream page, they will go to attendance, and then they will do their bell work, and then they will start with the assignment or with the formative assessment or summative based on what you have. Kindly make sure that students can always ask you any questions or do any comments only under the questions for the teacher. Same thing for the live sessions. You're just going to name the live sessions based on the day you're doing it. And also, for example, you need to make sure to give them straight or strict and straightforward instructions and put the link that they need to join in the box so they can join immediately. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for listening, and UA all the way.